Hello everyone, this video will cover Module 16. Module 16 is the final for the class. There's just 2 assignments left. It will be open at the same time as Module 15 so that you can work on them kind of at your own pace. Keep in mind that this module and the whole class will be completed on a Wednesday. So you have to have everything done midweek as opposed to having the weekend like we have had for other modules. So for this one, all you're doing is the final. You can see you have 2 assignments that you're working on. You have a final review quiz, and then you have a course reflection. The review quiz just covers information from the entire semester. It's comprehensive, and so you are recommended to, encouraged to look over the readings, which I have included as a list for you. The readings just cover what we've covered throughout the semester, and so anything that has been on a quiz before might be on your final review quiz, and you might have new questions as well. So you're highly encouraged to do some review first. However, you can take it more than once. So if you want to attempt it multiple times, that's fine. Just keep in mind you'll get new questions for new attempts. And then the last thing that you're going to do is write me just a course reflection. Your course reflection is in paragraph form. It does need to be a minimum of 3 paragraphs long, and you want to answer the questions within those paragraphs. You're not going to make a bulleted list like we did for the midterm. In this case, you're going to be writing out your thoughts sort of in an essay form, although you don't need to have like a formal, thesis or anything like that. You're really just telling me what you learned this semester. So things you've improved on, things you still need to work on. Overall, did you meet your goals for the class? You think about like the email that you sent me at the beginning of the semester. Was there anything that you wanted to do this semester that you didn't get a chance to, or did you actually end up meeting some of the goals that you set? Midterm reflection as well. Think about what did you do in this class, and how well did you meet your goals and what you were hoping to get out of it. Which essay did you do your best and worst work on? What did you learn from doing the revision assignment in Module 15? And then what is the most important aspect of the class that you will use in the future? Main thing to remember here is that it is graded on completion and not grammar. So I'm not going to deduct points. I want your own authentic writing. You will only get half credit for some AI crap that you turn in. And it's painfully obvious when students use AI for this assignment. I really, really encourage you to just sit down and write out your own thoughts. It's not difficult, but it's really important for this one in particular that you give me your own authentic thoughts. So some of you are doing too much AI in this class. The last thing in the module is your end of course survey, which you can get 5 points extra credit for doing. And this survey is same questions as the midpoint survey, so it just gives you another chance to give me some feedback on the class, and anything you would like to see improved will be helpful for me. So if you have any questions, make sure that you send me an email. Otherwise, have a great week.